Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Friday to you. Know y'all see that green? Know y'all see that green. Alright, portfolio is at $54,038. I am up $1,717 with $1,722.13, now 3.29%. Buying power at $4,126.98. I've been buying. Y'all seen I've been buying every day for those that follow me. Like I say, when those pullbacks come, stocks pull on back, when they dip, you got to buy the dip. But like I say, when that rocket take off, you want to be in the passenger seat. Fed Powell came out and said it's time to cut rates. So next month, I think September 8th, 14th, or 18th, whatever date, he's supposed to do a 0.25. They're looking at a 0.25 or a half or 0.5% interest rate cut. We'll see how that's going to work out, trying to bring down this inflation, have a soft landing without causing a recession. And we're going to see what's going to happen. But y'all got to remember, September is the worst month of the trading year also. But on the back end of that, you got the election going on. So they might not want to see the stock market do a little crash or whatever they want to call it. So it look good for them for the election. So I don't go deep off into politics. I'm not a political guy. I just do enough. I just follow it enough for what pertains to the stock market only. Anything more than that, I don't really care. It's green, man, but we still got some. You know me, I find a couple stocks to buy. Still in buy range. We're gonna ride them on up. This is what we call riding up, because most stocks are bullish. So you ride it on up. Because most stocks I'm giving you, I am down there, and the average person probably is too. So you ride that stock on up, man. If your average cost is $8.58, and whatever the stock is, your average cost is $8.58, and the stock trading at six bucks, $5, you're down $3.58 a share. You are ride it on up. Say it's at $5.03 now. Your average cost is $8.58. You can go dump $300. That's gonna lower your average cost. You brought $300 worth at 503, and then remember your average cost is $8.58. So you brought 300 shares at 503. You can sell $300 worth at $5.50. That give you a little bit of profit plus lower your average cost. And you can buy it at $5.51. Buy 300 shares more, with $300 worth more. If you buy $300 worth at from $8.58, your average cost at $5 something. That should put you in the average cost of probably about $7 and something, according to how many shares you have. But anyway, you buy it at 505 or 503, sell it at 551. You can sell it at 527, whatever. Your main thing, you just want to lower your average cost and make a little bit of money. So say you sell it at 527, boom, you get your $300 back. Buy another $300 worth at 529, 530. Sell that at 537, 543, 545, 550. And you rinse and repeat. Lowering your average cost to meet the current market present share price, the price that stock is trading at. You ride it on up. That's my definition of it. Alright. Let's do our Give ourselves a raise. We still going at PSEC, Prospect Capital, 6 cents a share a month. This one went up today. Got up to 513. It look like some people is selling, which is good. Bring it back down. We're gonna go in. I'm going in at 506 for 5 shares. Pay 6 cents a share. I got $4,000 in my cash balance. That's looking pretty, but it need to be spent, especially with the stock market going like it's about to be bullish. ACP, y'all need to get another for y'all that's interested in this stock. Got to get another brokerage for it, but I had some buy limit orders set from all week when I was giving y'all the orders. I triggered about 5 or 7 shares. Got another buy order in at 633, and I got 5 shares at 631 in another portfolio. Excuse me. HRZN. Horizon pays 11 cents a share a month. I'm giving y'all this one. I got up to 11.18. I'm giving y'all that early this week at $11, 11.05 and under. 11.09 is not a bad price. I'm gonna get $10 worth. I need to come down in anyway, but you can set it. Got a daily low today at $11.08. I might pull back below that. I got buy limit orders at 11 even and 11.05. So that one is that one. I did do what I was telling y'all I was going to do after I got off the camera yesterday. Wendy's, I started a position in Wendy's. I brought $10 worth at $16.74. I didn't want to go hard and I just want to start a position in it. My average cost $16.74, which it's not bad. And we're gonna swing trade some Wendy's, man. I like it at like I say, 17 and under. Get back to Wendy's page, man. Sorry for that. Like I said, I like it at those prices. And every time it dipped below $16.74, I'm gonna buy. Got down today to $16.70. I'm gonna monitor it and watch it. And ain't no hurry to buy nothing. But I will buy some fractional shares and some whole shares of it. Western Union, we going. Cause I got some other places to put some money at. It's not urgent, but we're gonna swing trade it. Wendy's, we're going at Western Union 11.67. This will go back up above the $12 range. Why am I buying this? I need to come down, and it pays a nice dividend. Dividend yield is 8.05%. Where is that? PE ratio at 7.14. Pay attention. PE ratio at 7.14, meaning this stock is undervalued. I look at undervalued. They say 15 and under. I look at it at 12 and under. I love it below 10. PE ratio mean price to earnings. You gotta look. I'm gonna just explain it to you briefly and just straight to the point. If it is 7.14, that means for every $7.14 you spend, you gotta spend $7.14 to make $1 back in profit. So the lower the PE ratio is, the less money you got to put in to return a profit. Like this PE here is 7.14. We're just gonna call it 7. For every $7 you spend, you get $1 back in profit. Now, see if you got something like Apple that said got a PE ratio of 35. So every $35 you spend, you get $1 back. See if you got something like Tesla that might be 70, or Nvidia or something that's PE ratio of 59 or 60. I mean, for every $59 you spend, you got to spend $59 to get $1 back. Say something like Amazon that might be 90. I'm just speaking. I don't know what it is. But say it's 90. I mean, for every $90 you spend, you got to spend 90 to get $1 back. Looking at the PE ratios where you define whether the stock is overvalued or undervalued. At a 7 is undervalued. I mean, they got some ways to go up, some room to grow. Got some room for you to make some money at it. You buying it at a PE ratio of a 7, and if you sell it at a PE ratio of a 15 or 20, you made money. But if you buying it at a high, at a 59, and people start panic selling or say taking profits, you brought it at a 59 and it goes down to 43 or 37, you're losing money. But you need to just buy more and ride it on down, Because if that stock was a buy at a PE ratio of 59, it should definitely be a buy at a PE ratio of 37 to you. So just dollar cost average on in. All right. Got that out the way. RYLD is up above $16. RYLD, sorry. I told y'all this wasn't gonna stay down for long. This is a stock that I know the pattern of this stock. I know how this stock and his brother sister QYLD trades. A lot of stocks that I be giving y'all is stocks that I know the pattern of them. I know where to get in and get out. I don't know everything, can't time the market, but I've been watching and trading these stocks for years. It's at 1608. It got down to 1598. We're gonna put one in there. Like I said, 16 and under. I will take it. I'll take it. 1598. But still, you can nibble still at it now. I think it's still a good buy at 1630 and under, to be honest. I've been buying it there at times. Got a 52-week high of $17.66. So you still got some upside, which it very rarely goes past the $17 range. Probably me, I would start selling it probably at $16.64. I think that's a good profit from $16, maybe 64 cents a share, something for you to quick swing on it. But like I say, but while you waiting on that, you you're getting paid a dividend of 16 cents a share. So that's not bad. I mean, say if it take 2 to 3 months to make it there. You've been dollar cost averaging in from 16.20 and down, and you sell it at 16.64. So you've been buying from 16.20 all the way down to 15.85. So look at all the profit you will have, even from 16.20 to 16.64. That's 44 cents. But think about all the shares you done brought at the 16 even and the 15.90ish ranges. So you talking about from 16 to 16.64. That's 64 cents a share. And if you got it at 15.90, that's 74 cents a share. And you just gonna scalp profits at 16.64. Whatever you got left of it, ride up. If you want to sell it and get out, if you got another play, you're able to do that. But if you want to hold on to it for the dividend, you can hold on to it. Because the higher the price is, the share price is, the more of a dividend you're gonna get. It's gonna always be 0.16 cent. One month it might be 0.1604. 0.1604. And when it goes up, it might be 1.623 or 1.654. So them little fractions of a cent adds up when you got a couple hundred shares. So you got to think about that too. Sorry for going on these rants, y'all might call it, but I'm giving y'all a game. Let y'all know it is what it is. This is your money, your future. ORC, I've been giving y'all this one. I've been giving y'all this for the past 2 weeks. I've been buying this probably for the last 30 days, getting in and out of it in my Webull portfolio. I brought 175 shares the other day I brought 200 shares at $8.21. I sold it today at $8.23. And actually, I was trying to set a sale limit because I brought 175 shares before that between the prices of $8.10 and $7.67 to $8.10. I was trying to sell those 175 at $8.23, but I messed around and hit the buy button. So it brought me the shares. So I still got them the 175 shares from $7.67 to $8.10. But I brought 175 shares at $8.21 when I was trying to sell it at that price, set a sale limit. Anyway, I brought it. I hit a sell limit at like 824 or something. It sold at 175. I brought back in at 827 it was when I got up. I brought another 175 shares. I'm going to ride it up. It did get up to 828 today, but it did lower my average cost. That's the reason I'm doing it, to lower my average cost. I now got about 1,800 plus shares in that portfolio with an average cost of like $9.49 now. I'm trying to get that down to around about $9 before this thing takes off, because it does have a 52-week high of $9.88. So I'm trying to get in under that $9 range on the easy. That's why you've been seeing me buying this at $8.20 and under in this portfolio here. But in the other one, I've been swinging it, buying and selling it, buying and selling it. I can do unlimited buys and sell in my Webull portfolio. That's why I like that portfolio better. But we're gonna go in today at 817. This did get down on yesterday in the after hours, the post market. It did go down to $8.15. So it did buy. It triggered all the buy limit orders that I had, the ones I put in the last couple days that I did on the live trade. That's why it's important to set the buy limit orders, because whenever you're not watching, when you're doing your daily life, chilling with your kids or at work or whatever it is you do, it will buy it for you. Intel, I like Intel at $20 and under, or 21 and under. Got up to 20.93 today. I try to buy. I got this in my Cash App portfolio. It's not at the peak of the day, but I like to buy it at the low of that day in the 20s. So I'm gonna let it kind of chill out today. And when it get around about that 20, it was at 20.21 today, somewhere around there. I just double up on it. I just want to watch it. The day hot. He announced he is going to cut rates. Everybody a little excited. But on Monday, remember, the most volatile days, most professional traders only trade on Mondays and Fridays only, because them tend to be the reddish days. And a lot of traders, they don't like to leave their money into stocks or into plays over the weekend, because Monday can come around with some bad news and that stock could drop. So a lot of them like to get out of plays. That's why it's on Fridays. A lot of them, the market be red. But all right, those are it there as far as our golden gooses. Now we're gonna hit just to see what the market doing today. We done gave ourselves a raise. Whenever whenever the stocks come down to those buy limit order prices, and trigger them. All right, that's what the market doing, man. It is green. See if we can find us anything. Gladstone. Get some of this. Lower my average cost. This pays out every month. Thing like 8 cents a month. Dividend yield 7.42%. PE ratio is at a 6. Meaning it's undervalued. 52-week high 14.96. So you got a $2 and upside of $2 a share. 52-week low 12.14. Okay. Go and grab some of this gain. All right. Got us some gain. ARECC is a REIT. That's Ares Capital. I'm up in that. That pay a nice dividend too, 9.18%. Not gonna bother that. Plays I've been giving y'all, like I told you, I want the swing trade, charge point, and pets, and all these here. See them on the rise. I might go sell some of that pets right now today. Let's see, pets. To get some of my money back to rinse and repeat. It ain't about the profit of me making money. Charge point up 7.97%. I've been giving y'all this play on the dips all the time. I've been telling y'all need to invest in the EV market. That's the easiest way to do it. Instead of buying in the car dealership, just invest in the charging stations. All of them gonna need them. And Tesla and charge point. And you got that EV Gold, Blank, and Volta gonna be the biggest ones. I've been giving y'all MetaFast. Like I told y'all, it's volatile, but I've been buying the dip on it. It's at $20.24. Didn't mean to pull out that quick. PFLT, pay a monthly dividend also. We'll get $5 worth of that. Write that one down. PFLT and gain. So I be finding these plays. They pay a dividend 11%. 52-week low 969. 52-week high 1263. PE ratio. CPE ratio 6.9. Meaning it's what? Ask y'all a question. Answer to yourself. It's undervalued. Nike doing this thing. I'm not up yet in Nike. That's a long-term play. I'm at $90 at 83. Carver State Bank was a play I've been giving y'all a while back. I haven't brought any because it wasn't in my buy range. But I got 363 shares at 202. That's a nice start to swing trade too. If you know the pattern of it, which I do, because I've been trading that a couple years. Lowered my average cost at a good price. I still want to get it under $2. Want my average cost around about the 180 range or lower. Sorry for this long video today, but got to drop y'all some jewels. Another one I'm watching, giving y'all USOI. It's at 70.84, but I'm going to monitor that. Like I said, today might just be everybody putting their money back into the market, but we're going to watch it and see what happens, because it can be all these gains that we gained today in my portfolio, these $1,700, the market can take it back on Monday. That's why you got to know when to get in and get out of your trades, just for trades only. That's why I say trades. If you're investing into it, let the money sit in there and go to work. 1662 for Netflix. Let that pull back some more. Like I said, I'm not in a hurry to buy anything. Got Wendy's. I'm going to set a buy limit at Wendy's at 1662. $16.64, so I'm not looking and going to automatically buy it. Just to show y'all what Wendy's do. Wendy's got a 52-week low 15.62, 52-week high 20.84. Gonna get another share today. I'm gonna go in and put it in. All right, Wendy, 1670. We're going. I'm doing 1664 and 1670. Like I said, we're gonna attack this thing. I'm gonna ride through the swing trade with y'all for the people that want to get involved in it. And it does pay a dividend of 5.97 cent. I think that's like 25 or 27 cents a share quarterly. Like I said, I got Wendy's in another portfolio. So all right, man, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos. Sorry for the long video. Signing off, man. Go get your money. I'll post some more videos over the weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Talk to you later.